Welcome to Impetus Workload Transformation, Notebook-based online code transformation tutorial. Let's browse an already created assessment. Let's go to the Transformation tab. The assessment has additionally converted some of the input Teradata queries to the AWS Redshift equivalent. The Package tab shows the packaged bundle which contains the transform queries and the business logic. This shows the dependencies between the input scripts. The lineage graph shows this more comprehensively, showing a glimpse of different queries that are transformed to Redshift equivalent. Let's see a comparison between the source and the transform query. You can further transform more queries to Redshift. Let's transform it instantly. Adding another transformation engine instantly and effortlessly transform complex scripts and queries. Saving the notebook. The enterprise version features more functionalities such as importing queries in bulk, validating them after transformation, associating source metadata and more. Thanks for watching.